Chapter 2, Lesson 9, Divide Mixed Numbers. Our learning objective is you will use the reciprocal and inverse operations to divide mixed numbers. Unlock the problem. A box weighing 9 1/3 pounds containing robot kits weighing 1 1/6 pound apiece. How many robot kits are in the box? So over here it tells us to underline the sentence that tells you what you are trying to find. Then we're to circle the numbers you need to use to solve the problem. So first thing, we're going to go ahead and underline. I'm going to highlight, you can underline, the sentence that tells us what we're trying to find. We're trying to find how many robot kits are in the box. Okay, I'm also going to highlight, but you need to circle the numbers you need to solve the problem. So we know we need 9 1/3 and 1 1/6 pounds. So now we're going to estimate the quotient. We're going to turn 9 1/3 into just plain old 9, and 1 1/6 into 1. 9 divided by 1 is 9, so our estimate is going to be 9. So write the mixed numbers as a fraction. So we're going to take numerator times denominator, and we're going to denominator times whole number, start that whole thing over. Denominator times whole number and add the numerator. So 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28, and we leave the denominator as 3. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7, so 7 6. So now we have 28/3 divided by 7 6. We're going to use the reciprocal of the divisor to write a multiplication problem. So then we're going to take 28/3 times 6/7, because 7 6 and 6 7 are reciprocals. Now I'm going to simplify. So now I just have 2 times 4, which is 8. Oh, they simplified down here. So that was 4, 2, 1, 1. So now I have 8 over 1 times 1, which is 1, or just plain old 8. Compare your estimate with the quotient. Our estimate was 9, and since the estimate 9 is close to 8, the answer is reasonable, so there are 8 robot kits in the box. Okay. Example, 4 hikers shared 3 1/3 quart of water equally. How much did each hiker receive? So we're going to divide 3 1/3 divided by 4. Our estimate, we could take 3 1/3 and turn it into 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. I could round it down to 3, but then it's not easy math, so that's why we rounded up to 4. So now we're going to write the mixed number and the whole number as fractions. So again, I'm taking 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 1 is 10. So 10/3 divided by 4 over 1, because 4 over 1 still equals 4. Now we're going to multiply it by the reciprocal. So 10/3 times 1/4. To simplify, we can divide 4 by 2, which is 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So now we have 5 times 1, which is 5, and 3 times 2, which is 6, so 5 6. To check our answer, we would take 4 times 5 6, which equals 26, which equals 3 1/3. So each hiker received 5 6 quart.